If you are searching for a dating app development company, you have probably already decided to build. The harder question is who you trust to build it. This is a sourced overview of what actually separates a capable development partner from an expensive mistake, drawn from public market data and industry reporting. It is general information for evaluating options, not business or legal advice. First, some context on why this decision carries weight. According to Business of Apps, the dating app market generated just over $6 billion in revenue in 2025, with more than 350 million people using dating apps worldwide. According to Statista, the broader dating services market is projected to reach $8.43 billion in 2026. The money is real, which is why the quality of who builds your platform matters as much as the idea itself. One more figure is worth naming because it shapes the whole decision. According to a February 2026 analysis on connected couples citing company earnings reports, Hinge grew revenue 38% year-over-year to $550 million, while several older apps saw paying users decline. The pattern shows the winners in dating are increasingly the focused, well-built platforms. A development company that understands that difference is building toward where the market is going, not where it has been. Now to the evaluation itself. There are 5 things worth checking before signing with any development company, and most buyers only discover them after the contract is signed. The first is code ownership. Ask directly whether you receive the complete source code at the end of the project, or whether you are licensing software the company continues to control. This single answer separates 2 completely different business outcomes. If you own the code, you can host it anywhere, modify anything, and move to any team later. If you are licensing it, the company controls your pricing, your roadmap, and in a real sense, your survival. The second is scope and pricing structure. According to industry cost analyses published by multiple development firms, a dating app typically ranges from around $25,000 for a basic build to $150,000 or more for advanced features. That range is wide because scope drives everything. A company that quotes a fixed price against a written scope is telling you they understand the project. A company that bills open-ended hours with no defined deliverable is transferring all the risk to you. The third is payment infrastructure. Dating apps monetize through subscriptions and in-app purchases, which means payment processing is core to the build, not an add-on. A capable company plans for the 15 to 30% commission that Apple and Google take on App Store transactions, and designs the monetization around it. If a development company treats payments as something to figure out after launch, that is a signal worth noting. The fourth is trust and safety, which industry reporting consistently identifies as the difference between apps that survive and apps that empty out. Photo verification, moderation, and reporting tools are what keep users, particularly women, on a platform. Ask how a company builds these systems, because a dating app without robust safety is not a smaller version of a real one. It is a liability. The fifth is delivery discipline. Ask how long a standard build takes and what the process looks like week to week. A company that can describe a clear path from discovery to scope to development to launch is one that has done it before. Vague timelines and shifting milestones are the most common early sign of a project that will overrun. Put those 5 together, and you have a practical checklist. Do you own the code? Is the price fixed against a real scope? Are payments engineered in? Is safety built rather than bolted on? And is the delivery process clear and proven? A company that answers all 5 cleanly is rare, and it is worth far more than the one offering the lowest quote. This is the standard we hold ourselves to. At Xpertz, we work as a development partner for founders who want a dating platform built to their specification on code they fully own, with a fixed scope agreed before any work begins and the complete source code delivered at the end. We build the payment and safety infrastructure in from the start because reporting across this industry shows those are the parts that decide whether a platform lasts. If you are evaluating who should build your dating platform, the next step is a straightforward conversation about your idea, your market, and what a build to your specification would actually involve. There is no obligation, just a clear view of what is possible. To explore the solution, request a demo, or discuss your project, visit Xpertz.io.